Hey guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. Today we will be continuing our shoot 'em up game. So in the last tutorial we left off with our boss attacks ready. So please ignore this sprite. I just put it in when I click on the stop button. Comment down below if you want the stop button script, a script of one stop button clicked. So now if I broadcast boss, you can see it starts shooting these bullets. And I made it like double bullets. Actually, this comes out random. That's one thing that I actually pretty much like about that. These bullets, they have a random distance in between them. So sometimes they're one, sometimes they're more. But now you can see they're coming from the boss. But the laser attack happens only once. So to get around that, let's stop the script. And now what we'll do is in the boss, we'll take a when I receive boss, and then we'll take a forever loop. And in that forever loop, we will take a broadcast, another broadcast laser, and we will wait as much time you want to wait. I'm going to take a pick random, and it's best if you say 10 to 15 because we don't want the lasers like resetting before they shoot. So now when we do this, our lasers will actually we'll want to start here because the lasers will start shooting there. So now you can see our laser fires, and after 10 to 15 seconds we just wait and then see another laser fires. But in this tutorial we will make our boss actually spawn, because right now the boss just doesn't exist in the game. We can only access it by clicking on this broadcast boss. So we will make a variable. We'll call it boss spawn, and this is because we don't want our enemy planes to spawn when the boss is here. So there's boss spawn. So I took a one flag clicked, and under it we want to put a hide, and under any of these boss receivers we want to put a show. And we'll take a forever loop, and we'll wait like 25 seconds. Broadcast boss. We will set boss spawn. At the start we will set boss spawn to no, and here we will set boss spawn to yes. And then we will wait until not boss spawn is equal. We'll wait until not boss spawn is equal to yes. So now why we did this is now in our enemy sprite, this clothing script, we can just take an if boss spawn is equal to no. So now it will only do this script if it will only clone itself if boss spawn is equal to no. So now you can see our boss is hidden, and after about 25 seconds, we'll actually make it wait 5 seconds for now. So now it waits about 5 seconds, and now when the boss is here, you can see our enemies do not spawn. because having enemies spawn in right now, that would be really hectic. So now our bullets don't delete when they hit the boss, and that's pretty simple to implement. We will take another ore in our deleting script, and we'll put touching boss. We'll put the ore here. So now there are 3 conditions for the bullets to delete. So now you can see they delete. And let's put our player, like the player brightness effect, onto our boss. And we'll take another forever loop. Actually, we'll put it under here. And now it should, well, it's not touching enemy missile players, so it should do this. The reason it's not doing it because before the boss can sense it, the flare missiles are deleting. So to get around this, we can actually take all of this out, and we'll take a forever loop, and we'll take an if, and we'll put this OR statement in here of the OR stuff, and now we'll put the forever move 10 steps up here to delete. But what we want is a wait, like 0.1 seconds. Like that wait should barely be visible. So you can see we can actually put a wait 0 seconds. So I don't know why it's. Oh yeah, that's our original sprite. It should hide. So now it should work. We'll put a wait 0 seconds over here. So now if I do this, so now you can see our boss is taking, you can see it taking damage. Let's set it to 20 because 20 looks like enough. So now you can see it shooting. And one thing, if you guys don't know why I have like 5 spikes, you just have to play around with the direction in these 5 blocks to make them point in different directions. So now we can play around with the boss, but now we need our boss to actually, like be defeated. We don't want our boss to always just stay here and we're infinitely fighting it. We need our boss to be defeated. So to do that, we can make a variable boss health, and we will set boss health to something like, let's say 50, or actually 100. So okay, that's it. So now we will change boss health by -1 if it's touching the player missile, and then if inside here, if boss health is less than 1, means it would be 0. Right now we'll just do a fade. We'll just make it fade out. and we'll set it to 5 just for now for the testing. So we'll repeat 10. We'll change the ghost effect by 10. And we'll set ghost effect to 0. Change ghost effect by 10. So now if we shoot, and then we want it to hide, and actually we want to even set a boss spawn to no. And in our spike, we want to do an if statement. Well, I don't think an if statement will do because it's actually still broadcasting spike. So we want to stop this script too. Stop script. Now it should stop it. So let's broadcast boss. So we can take a one flat clip. Wait. We want our arrows to hide. When we click on the green flag. So now we can run around from these planes. Now our boss is here. So if I shoot it, and now it should stop shooting the spikes. So actually we'll make the boss spawn only one time because we don't want it to spawn like 1,000 times. We'll just do this. Set boss spawn to yes. So now if we just wait, the boss will be here, and see, it's still shooting spikes. So let's actually put that if statement. If boss spawn is equal to yes, and we'll take another if. If boss spawn is equal to yes, so our boss should come, and well, it's not supposed to take damage. So our laser actually still stays. But actually I think that's okay, like, because our boss will be pretty good if we just have to dodge a blast attack. So you can now set our boss health to 50. Let's go in between 70, and we'll set the wait properly. Wait 25 seconds. So now that's it for today's tutorial, and goodbye.